Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into some all digital 5 off of 25 scenarios for tomorrow, which is Saturday. So to do the deals that I am going to do, you just want to download the same digital coupons. Hopefully you have been staying on top of your digital downloads. Load them along with the 5 off of 25 coupon, and then you enter in your phone number at the register and checkout. So easy, so simple. If you've never used a 5 off of 25 coupon before, I also have a how to use a 5 off of 25 coupon video that may be helpful to you. I will have that linked down below. So without further ado, let's get into these deals. So the first deal we're going to do is an all digital Airwick deal. So first thing I'm going to grab is 2 of the Airwick essential oil refills. These are $5. I am going to use the buy one get one free digital coupon. Then I'm going to go down here and I am going to get 2 of the refills for the Freshmatic, the spray refills, and you can just use these as regular air freshener sprays as well if you don't have a Freshmatic starter kit. But these are $5 as well, and we are going to use the buy one get one free digital on these. And then we're going to grab an Airwick oil starter kit. These are $3.35. We are going to use our $3 off one digital coupon. And then our final item in this first deal is going to be one of the 34 count Gain dryer sheets. These are $2. We are going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. So this is everything that we have in our all digital deal. We have 2 of the Airwick oil refills. These are $5 each. We're going to use our BOGO digital coupon, which should deduct $5. We have 2 of the Freshmatic refills as well. Once again, $5 each. We are going to use our BOGO digital coupon. We have the Airwick essential oil starter kit, $3.35. We're going to use our $3 off digital coupon. And then we have our Gain dryer sheets, 34 count. These are $2. We are going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. Our total before our digital coupons are applied should be $25.35. That qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25. So we're going to load that digital coupon and make sure that we have all of these selected as well. After those digital coupons are applied, our final total after those $19 in coupons come off should be just $6.35. Yes, $6.35 for this all digital deal. So let's go on to deal number 2. So now we're going to grab some personal care items. We are going to start with some shampoo. So the first 2 deals we are going to do are going to be the herbal essences. We're going to grab 2 of these for $3 each, and we are going to use our $3 off 2 digital coupon. Then we're going to walk over here to the Garnier Whole Blends. We're going to grab one of these. You can get the shampoo or the conditioner. These are $3.50, and we are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. Now we're going to grab one of these Crest 3D White with charcoal toothpaste. So these are the 4.1 ounce bottles. These are $4, and we are going to use our $3 off one digital coupon. Then we're going to grab a Eucerin lotion. These are $4.50. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. Then we're going to walk over here to our razors, and we are going to get one of the Chic razors that is on price cut this week for only $4. We are going to use our $3 off one digital coupon. And we're also going to grab a Nivea lotion at $4.15. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. So this is everything that we're grabbing in all digital deal number 2. We have our Eucerin lotion at $4.50. We're going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. We have our Garnier Whole Blend shampoo. This is $3.50. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. We have our herbal essences shampoo and conditioner. They are $3 each. We're going to use our 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We have our Chic razors at $4. We are going to use our $3 off one digital coupon. Then we have our Nivea lotion at $4.15. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. And we have our Crest charcoal at $4. We are going to use our $3 off one digital coupon. Our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $26.15. That is enough to qualify to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. So we're going to download that along with all of those other digital coupons. That will deduct off a total of $20 in savings, leaving us to pay just $6.15 for all of these items. $6.15 is our grand total. So for deal number 3, we're going to start off with 2 of these Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner. So these are the 3-ounce size. They are $2 each. We are going to use our $3 off of 2 digital coupon on these, making these only 50 cents, which is a great deal. Then we're going to grab one of these Angel Soft 12 rolls. These are $5 everyday price, and we are going to use our 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. So the next item I'm going to grab is some Sparkle paper towels, and I am going to use a $1 off 1 digital coupon on this. Now I'm aware that not everyone will have this digital coupon on your account. We have some kind of like hidden paper product digital coupons that are still available for download, but you may not have accessed them before. I'm going to have a link in the description box for you to download these coupons onto your account if you do not have them. But on that link, you will see a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Sparkle paper towels. You will also see a link for the Quilted Northern, and you will see a 50-cent off for the Angel Soft. So we're going to get one of these Sparkle paper towels. The coupon is not attaching to this 6 roll, the family rolls, but it is attaching to this 6 equals 11 rolls for $5.95. So we're going to grab this bigger package for $5.95, and we're going to use our $1 off 1 digital coupon. This next item I'm grabbing, we do not have a digital coupon for, but if you do get inserts, we do have 50-cent off coupons for these. We probably also have a 50-cent off printable for these as well, if you want to make this transaction 50 cents cheaper. Now, if you don't have coupons or you don't have access to a printer, don't worry about it. It'll only be 50 cents more to not use a coupon on this item, but I want to throw it in here because I know some people may need some laundry detergent, and we don't have any good digitals on detergent right now. So I'm going to add this into this transaction for $2.95. And like I said, if you have a 50-cent off paper coupon, go on ahead and throw it into the mix. So here's the complete scenario for this deal. This is a mixture of some household products along with some of the personal care products that we just grabbed in our last transaction. So we have our Tide Simply laundry detergent. Again, that's $2.95. You can or you cannot use a coupon, whichever you prefer. We have the Sparkle 6 equals 11 rolls. So these are the big boy paper towels. These are $5.95. We're going to use that $1 off 1 digital coupon, and remember to check below for a link if you do not have it. We have the Angel Soft that is 12 rolls. This is $5. We are going to use our 50-cent off digital coupon. We have 2 of the 3-ounce Head and Shoulders again. These are $2 each. We're going to use our 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We have the Crushed Charcoal at $4. We are going to use the $3 off 1 digital coupon. And then we have the Chic Razors at $4. We are going to use the $3 off 1 digital coupon. So our total before our digital coupons are applied should be $25.95 for these items. That qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. Now, if we use all of those digitals we just reviewed and we use a 50-cent off paper coupon on the Tide, your total will be under $10 at only $9.90. If you do not use a coupon on the Tide, no worries. Your total will only be $10.40 for all of these items. So for this final deal, we're going to use some paper coupons in this deal. This is the deal that I actually plan on doing tomorrow, and I just wanted to review it with you guys if you're a little bit more advanced and you don't mind using some paper coupons. So in this deal, I'm going to stock up on some Tide laundry detergent along with some Dawn, because these are some items that we haven't been getting a lot of lately. So I'm going to get 2 of the Tide liquid laundry detergents at $4.95. I am going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 paper coupons on these. I'm also going to get one of the big bottles of Dawn. These are the 20.6 ounce. We are going to use the $1 off 1 digital coupon on these. And then I'm going to combine this deal with the Degree Instant Savings deal that I talked about earlier this week. So if you haven't seen the breakdown on that deal, I will have that video linked down below. But we have an instant savings on Degree products where if you spend $8, you will save $2. So what I have here is $16.85 in Degree products. So we're going to get a total of $4 in instant savings on these. And for the Degree men's deodorants, you can use the $1.50 off 1 paper coupons, or you can use the $1.25 off 1 paper coupons if you are going to get the women's. And then for the stick deodorant, we have a 75-cent off 1 paper coupon. And then the final coupon for the Degree that we are going to use is our $3 off of 12 beauty bag coupon. I also shared a link to download this coupon in my video earlier this week, so hopefully you've been able to download it by now. I have it linked on the community page in that video, and then also on Instagram. The link is in my bio as well. So our total for all of these items before any instant savings or digital coupons are applied should be $30.25. After the $4 in instant savings comes off for the Degree, that's going to bring our total down to $26.25. So we will be able to use our 5 off of 25 at that point, plus all of those other coupons that we just reviewed. Our total after all of those coupons comes off will be $8.25 for all of these items. Yes, just $8.25. So check down below. I will have a written breakdown for this deal plus all of the other deals that we just covered. All right, you guys, so that is all of the deals that we are going to be covering today. I hope you have a good time shopping at Dollar General tomorrow for the 5 off of 25, and I thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and check below for your written breakdowns. Thanks again, you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.